Comfort access door handles. They can be amazing, right? Right until they don't work. This side don't work. Neither of them work. So, I've been told that they short out and then they blow the fuse that controls your dynamic stability control module. And yeah, that's what happened to mine. So that fuse popped, car went nuts, crazy nuts. Just a little 5-amp fuse that they share. So I replaced the fuse, hasn't happened since, but it took about a week, but I got my brand new aftermarket comfort access door handles. So it's apparently super easy, so hopefully it is. Let's check these out. All right, so I picked these up for about $42 a piece, and the site that I got them on said that they are door specific. Made in China, okay. Yeah, so you can order whichever one you want, and they're not marked. So 5121730. So this is 1931B and this is 1933B. One box is bigger, and if we look at the door handles, it appears this one may be bigger. Oh, it's got the keyhole, so you can tell which one is going to be which. Oh, I'm smart sometimes. Like, too smart for my own good, apparently, because none of my stuff's locking and by itself. I don't want you to lock, man. Alright, so we're going to open this up. This should be the front door, front driver's side. And this should be the rear left. And yeah, I'm gonna have to cut more tape than that. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's check it out. Yep, that's the driver's side. I mean, it's nice having a black car. So you got your plugs there, one's for the LED, one's for the comfort access. So let's get in there. My understanding, there's just a T15 here that holds that bad boy in. So that's what we're gonna tackle first. We open the door up. We got this little plug right here. We're gonna remove this plug. There. And then there's somewhere in there, down there somewhere. I can't see. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, there is a T15 in there. So we're gonna actually not use the drill this time, or the little impact, because I want to keep that screw. Let me go get my nice one. All right, I found it, and supposedly I was told that this screw will stay in there. So you just loosen it up until you can't loosen it up anymore, I guess. And then you should be able to, yeah, just like that. Pull it out, and then you can unplug your stuff, just like that. Man, that was kind of easy. So I'm gonna unplug this and swap it out. What's up, cuties? Watching me? Okay. Alright, so here's the old one. Got her out, and it looks just like the new one. Of course, yeah. It actually, black sapphire metallic. I don't know how to tell if this is OEM. This one's way lighter. The new one's way lighter. This one's heavier, so it's either full of stuff or OEM, but yeah, I don't know. Well, either way, it doesn't work. So we're gonna plug this bad boy in. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. So hard to do one-handed crap, you know. But we'll try. Yeah. So you guys can see nothing. So obviously the LED works. Because, yeah. This one's not staying hooked in though. I don't like that. Yeah, it is. I'm just crazy. Okay, just kind of wiggle and jiggle that thing in there. Eee. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, it's got to go back on, you know, obviously in a certain way. So, because you got this bad boy there. And, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's just what we're going to try and do here. Oh, I might have had it too. Might got it. Might have done got it. Kind of looks like it. Guess I'll just push it in there and see if I can put that screw in there. Okay. It works. Well, I mean, the mechanism, right? Okay. Oh. Yes! Yes! Yeah! Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put the plug back in. And man, this is way easier than I thought, man. This is easier than changing the sticky door handles. Yeah, this is super exciting because I miss comfort access. And honestly, for less than, well, I can't remember what I paid, about 80 bucks for both of these door handles. Now I'm gonna do this one. And it's gonna be the same way. You got your little plug here, swap it out. So I'm gonna do it. All right, everything is done, guys. These work perfect now. I love it. You know, it's gonna be so much nicer to not have to deal with pulling the fob out. I know that sounds lazy, but more importantly, not blowing that little 5 amp fuse in the glove box. Yeah, so link will be in the description below for these guys. Man, tell you what, that was easy. I just got done replacing the sticky door handles on the inside, and you got to pull the door cards and everything, and it was not fun. But yeah, either way, I'm telling you what, this was a super easy job, and the benefit is amazing. So, like I said, link in the description below. Hopefully the install and swap is as easy for you guys as it was for me. Yeah, and hopefully you learned something from this video and it helps you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.